What's up, guys? Today I'm at my first gaming video, and it's gonna be none other than Jailbreak in Roblox. So I'm gonna show you guys a glitch. Well, I don't know if they fixed it or not because there's been a few updates. Oh, and I also play on computer. I have a computer. If she gets my key card, she's gonna get arrested. Okay, no, she's good. Oh no, it was Bacon Dude getting my key card. Hey, come get it, come get it. Time to get some money. Oh no. Bye-bye. Just like that. 2 arrests. Alright. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna show you guys a glitch. Oh, and this is my outfit. And if you wanna friend me, my username is Rohail7. I'll just show you right here. Here. ROHAIL 7 capital R. So I'm gonna get in and this is a glitch to get a free helicopter. Ooh, these guys leave me alone. You may not get a free key card like this, but you can get a free helicopter that could lead you to the free key card somehow. Okay, whatever. So the helicopter's all the way up here. Good thing we don't have to wait. Eject? I don't want to eject anyone. Enter. Woo! And boom. Wait, I can't lock my thing. What? How do I move? Oh yeah, it's WASD for helicopters. And all vehicles. And now I can lock it. There we go. And then Q, which makes me go down. And I'll jump out. It's locked. Nobody can get it. Now, turn into a prisoner. See? You're a prisoner. Now nobody can get in your helicopter. Everyone's like, hey, who is the helicopter belonging to? And then I just come in and hijack it. Boom. I'm gonna hijack it. Yo! Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh no. Yeah! Yeah! Oh no, bro! That ain't fair! That ain't fair! That ain't fair! Yikes! No! That ain't fair! I hate that cop. At least nobody can still get in there. That cop, oh my gosh, what's his name? Ugh, I want to block him. I think he's just numbers. And if you guys think I have Robux, I really don't. I just got my Golden Ninja mask from a toy code. And my other tuxedo cap, my glasses, and my wings are from the Bloxy Awards. And, oh yeah, one more thing. My headphones are from this thing creator challenge. It gives you free stuff. Is this girl waiting for all of us to come out? I really want to do the new bank robbery. Or the jewelry, it'll be fine. I just want to do one of the new stuff in the update. My helicopter is still there. It's still there. And it's still hijacked and locked. Locked and loaded. And there's no cop, yes. Now, nobody got in it. But yet, you can still go. Da-da-da. Oh, they're trying to shoot it down. They're trying to shoot it down. No, they won't shoot my helicopter down because it's above the clouds. Now look at this. Woohoo. If I see the train, I'm totally gonna jump on it. Ugh. I don't like using WASD keys. It's really annoying. No, wrong key. Is that the bank? Yep, and it's closed. Should I garage it? Sure, why not? Da-da. Forest green, it doesn't look too cool. Hey, but I'll keep my helicopter separate from the others. Alright. Is that the train? That was totally the train. Oh my god, I'm going to the train. Oh, the train, it's right there. Super WASDKs. Jump out. Oh, darn it, I won't make it. Nah. I won't make it. No, the train. Really wanted to rob it. Oh, well, I guess I can make my way from here to the jewelry. Oh, the jewelry's right there. It just got robbed. Oh, come on. Ooh, no, cops. I have no gun. Will I make it into the criminal base? Will I? Or will I not? That's a question for you to ask. Oh, I made it. Yes. Jump down. Ooh. So, as I was saying, I have to get my gun. Wait a second. Wait. Can I take it back? Okay, voice audio activated. Still here. Alright, I'm at the shotgun. And get that. Too far away. Alright. So, change out of that prison jumpsuit. Why not? Look at me. Da-da-da. I really need some Robux. And I don't have a car. I don't know what I've been doing all this time. Oh, yeah. In a helicopter. Well, that was a cool glitch. If I could play on my Xbox, I could show you guys the cop base. Ooh, where am I? I think I can go to the museum and rob it. Yeah. I don't know where. Oh, the museum, right there. How do I boost? Oh, it's Q. Oh! Never mind. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. So, somebody's here. Well, somebody's not technically here. Ooh, the museum robbery is opened. Jump. Shift. Run, the museum robbery is open. And it's getting robbed. I bet the hole is already there. I have to jump in the hole. No, the hole isn't there. Oh! Yes! Right on time. Huh. Goodness. Boom. Earth. Oh, no. Moon. Hey, that sun was mine. That ain't fair. That dude died? I'm stuck in here? Oh my, no, goodness. Oh, this is gonna be terrible. I'm stuck in here. Oh, look at that, no good. Woo, another guy. Hey, let me get something. Alright, my bag's full. I'm gonna go in the other thing, you go in the diamond. Let's solve this little puzzle right here. Woo! Oh no, I hear that clock. It's probably telling the time that when we have to leave. Oh, come on. I'm usually used to playing on touchscreen, and I'm also used to playing on Xbox. Did she do it? Switch room. Do it! Do it! Do it! Yes! She did it! Too bad I came here on walk. I have no car. Oh, I do have a car. It's right here. I keep forgetting things. Oh, come on. No. Okay. Let's back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Oh, come on. Yay. I'm gonna jump off the ramp. I've seen the criminal base and the cop base in person because my friend on Xbox, he let me see the criminal base and I got the cop base on my own. What if I could fly all the way? Oh. This is a train station, isn't it? Oh! That means a train's coming. So that means... I wish there was a ramp right here. Let's do this. Oh, come on. Up. Yes. Thank you. This video won't last too long. Alright. I only have like a few more minutes for this video to end, so I'll just at least rob the museum. Oh, and if you guys didn't see it, in the museum, your bag was like, yeah, see? I mean, over here too, in the bag, there's money flying out of it. Collector! Yay! Okay, so, I don't think so we can pretty much rob anything else. So, I guess, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!